In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 GMC Acadia. If you have a remote like this with this little almost complete circle with the arrow, then you more than likely have the remote start feature on your vehicle. To use it, you're going to press the lock button. Sometimes you have to press it twice until you hear a little honk. Then I'm going to press and hold down the remote start button. You'll see the lights flash one time. You'll hear the vehicle start up. The vehicle is now running. To get in the vehicle, I'll just press the unlock button now when I'm ready to get in the vehicle. You'll notice that the radio and everything else is off when I get in the vehicle. To actually be able to run the vehicle and drive it, I'll just press down this button one time. And the vehicle will still continue to be running. It'll just now be able to be driven. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.